Let's dive into the SAP FICO course duration. Each timeline has its quirks and charm. I'll guide you through why duration matters and how flexible options cater to learners. Plus, don't worry. By the end, you'll appreciate the format variety. Think of it as picking a rhythm that suits your learning dance. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. The SAP FICO module is like the superhero of financial and controlling tasks. No cape, but plenty of power. We'll explore its definition, key components, and how industries embrace it. By the end, you'll see how SAP FICO makes processes less of a headache, unless spreadsheets are your guilty pleasure. Why is SAP FICO Training the talk of the town? Well, it boosts career potential, expands your skill set, and equips you for real-world challenges. It's like assembling a toolkit for finance and controlling, but with fewer bolts and more brain power. Ready to add this gem to your resume? Typical course durations are like Goldilocks porridge. Too short, too long, or just right. We'll examine standard timelines, balance between theory and practice, and flexible schedules. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of how long learners usually take. Spoiler: no marathon required. What affects course length? It's not cosmic luck. Prior knowledge, format, content depth, and resources play their part. Imagine it as baking a cake. Ingredients and timing matter. By the end, you'll know what shapes the perfect SAP FICO duration. No apron required. For beginners, SAP FICO is like learning to ride a bike. Wobbly at first, but you'll get there. This slide covers foundational concepts, average completion times, and tips for new learners. By the end, you'll feel confident to pedal through the basics without training wheels. Intermediate learners, welcome back to the SAP FICO playground. This stage dives deeper, with practical applications that make timelines fly by. You're past the basics, but still on a learning curve. By the end, you'll ace the intermediate level without needing a safety net. Advanced learners, this is your Everest climb. The focus here is on mastering complex functions and diving deep into details. It takes a longer commitment, but don't worry. You'll emerge as an SAP FICO expert ready to conquer finance and controlling challenges with ease. Online vs. offline training. It's the ultimate showdown. Online offers flexibility, while offline has its challenges. We'll talk about differences, advantages, and average durations for both. Think of it as comparing apples and oranges. Sweet results no matter your pick. We all learn differently, don't we? Some prefer the classroom buzz, others thrive online, and a few like a mix of both. That's why flexible learning options exist, to fit your lifestyle. Whether you love morning studies or midnight cramming, there's a mode that suits you. Plus, having access to learning materials 24/7 means you can learn at your own pace. The best part, it's tailored to your needs, ensuring maximum success. If you like getting straight to the point, intensive training is for you. These programs are designed to help you master skills in a short time, without distractions. Think of it as a boot camp. Tough, immersive, but highly rewarding. And with expert guidance, you get hands-on experience that prepares you for real-world challenges. Fast-track your career and get ahead with these programs. Ever felt the pressure of strict deadlines? With self-paced learning, you set your own speed. Whether you're juggling work, family, or 100 other commitments, this mode gives you the freedom to learn without stress. Plus, progress tracking ensures you stay on course. It's like having your personal roadmap for success, minus the traffic jams. Corporate training isn't just about ticking boxes. It's about equipping employees with the right skills. These sessions fit seamlessly into work schedules, so businesses stay productive while employees grow. Plus, interactive sessions make learning fun and engaging. Who said workplace training has to be boring? It's all about growing, while keeping things exciting. All right, folks, we've covered a lot, and hopefully you haven't tuned me out yet. To recap, we've explored some key ideas that can truly make a difference. But knowledge without action, well, that's like a car with no fuel. It's not going anywhere. So let's put these insights to work. Stay curious and continue learning. And of course, don't just nod. Take real steps forward. The next move is yours, and I promise it'll be worth it. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.